Hi everyone, Aga here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you today. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of the channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun content. It's the middle of the month again, and we're here to unpack our mid-June 2026 collection, Mocha Latte LITE. It's another one of those, I wouldn't say monochromatic, but with a limited palette that all works very beautifully together. At least that's what I hope for, because I know the list, but I haven't seen the beads all together yet. So without further ado, let's unpack this. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are carefully curated bead assortments created around a theme or a color palette designed for beaders of all levels, and always containing enough beads and findings for several different beaded projects. We launch our regular collections monthly on the first Thursday of the month and our smaller LITE collections on a Monday around the middle of the month. Okay, so here is the collection. Let me just tidy it all up and we'll discuss each of the products individually. As per the usual, with the collection, you get a printed out insert picture that was the inspiration for the entire palette. So in this case, we have this really pretty picture of some iced coffee, perfect for the summer, and some coffee beans in the background, this rustic kind of hipster vibe, piece of wood, another coffee in the background. I really love this palette, I must say. I do wear a lot of brown and bronze, and I think this palette is soothing but also very stylish. So that's the inspiration. And if you need some more, you also get this very useful piece of paper with an inspiration paragraph on it. And in here we have like a scene set for us, like you walk in a coffee house. And this palette, just like a perfect cup of coffee, is calm and grounding at the first glance, but energizing once you engage with it. Really, literally just like coffee. So inside here, you get all of the products listed, the name of the collection, Mocha Latte Collection LITE. And if you want more of any of the products, you just look at the number on the packaging, you find it on the list, and you can look up what it is, what's the color, what's the size, how many you get, and you can look at the SKU number to search the product on EurekaCrystalBeads.com and get more of whatever you like. Okay, let's take a good look at the first section of this collection, which is always seed beads, because you can't really do much beadwork without seed beads. So first up, you get this huge 20-gram bag, which contains a custom mix of Miyuki, round, and bugle seed beads. So you get 6 different beads in this mix. You get 2 15-ohs. You get 2 colors of 11-ohs. You get this silver-lined black diamond, I think, 8-oh, and a matte black 3mm bugle bead. I think it's a really beautiful assortment of beads. You get these beige 11-ohs. I really like them. They're like a latte, basically. That's the color. And then you have some of the milk in the 15-ohs, and in here you have just this strongly brewed, maybe iced coffee. So it's a perfect mix for the theme. Then with numbers 2 and 3, you get 2 colors of Miyuki Delica beads. You get this lovely Picasso color. This is opaque brown Picasso, and this is matte root beer. They will work perfectly with the entire palette. You'll know what I mean in a second. And it's always nice to get 2 colors of Delicas to play with. And that were our seed beads. Now let's go to the Czech bead section, and you get 3 items in here. First up, you get a 3mm fire polish bead, and this is such a lovely color. I really love the colors in this collection, like the individual colors that we picked. This is matte crystal Picasso. So it's, as you can see, it's not opaque, and it has this kind of irregular pattern on each bead. I really love this. And then you get a round drag bead in luster opaque champagne. And really, this shines so nicely. This is the luster coating, so beautiful shine. And you get 50 of the fire polish beads and 100 strand of the round drugs. And here is the final product in the Czech beads section, and it's a 2-hole bead. So you get a full tube of crescent beads in this lovely hematite color, which is actually satin metallic gunmetal, which I think is even prettier than if it were just regular shiny hematite. And I think it kind of binds the collection together with this hipster vibe of this like oxidized dark gunmetal silver. Really pretty. And finally, we've arrived at the crystal section, and first up, you get 10 crystal stones. And once again, I just can't help myself. I really love those colors. I'm so happy to be able to play with this collection. So first up, you get two 12mm cushion cut stones in a light smoked topaz. And I think this is going to be my favorite color, obviously, about this collection. Then two Rivoli stones. They are 14mm Rivolis in black diamond. And finally, you get 6 chaton stones. 3 of them are in the same color as the cushions, so light smoked topaz, and 3 are in just regular smoked topaz. What a beautiful, beautiful set. Now we get 2 pearls, and you get a strand of 100 4mm pearls from Krakovski. And the color is black, but they are so shiny. It's really more of a hematite. Though not quite hematite, it's a bit of a warmer gray. And it just looks absolutely perfect with the black diamond. So it's gonna look beautiful, especially with those stones. I think I'm gonna make something with those two. Really just perfect. And as I said, you get a strand of 100 of them. Then you get a pack of 48 crystal bicone beads from Preziosa. They are again in this beautiful brown color. This is smoked topaz again, but it's kind of subdued and so pretty. And they're 3mm, by the way. Then the next 2 items on the list are something that makes this collection really special because you get 2 types of gemstone beads. First up, you get this little strand of about 40 to 45 agate faceted beads, and they are just beautiful. And both of these are natural undyed stones. So the second one is this pretty unique square bead with a hole that goes along the length of it. And this is natural bronzite, and it has these kind of specks and strands of hematite woven through it. And you will see that not every one of these beads is identical because, again, they are natural. They can have some little tiny irregularities on the surface, and they can have a different percentage of this hematite kind of addition or inclusion in here. But I think it's just beautiful, and I'm looking to bezel it actually, so stay tuned for the projects. And these 2 are really unique for this collection. We will likely not have any extras available, so if you like these, go and buy this collection. And finally, the last section on the list are findings, so let me get them out of their bags. Alright, so here they are. All of those are in this wonderful gunmetal color that matches so perfectly with everything else. So you get 2 toggle clasps, and you might know this one already. We have it in 3 colors, so this is the 4th full collection of these lovely toggle clasps. So we get one like this, and then you get a pair of ear wires, also in gunmetal, and then some Rolo chain. I also have some nice ideas with it. I hope I'll be able to realize them. And then what didn't fit on my tray are these hoop earrings, and they are not in gunmetal, but they are in steel, so they match as well. And they are a very good base to bead around them with brick stitch, for example. And that is our Mocha Latte LITE collection for June 2026. I hope you like it as much as I do. Let me know in the comments what are the highlights of this collection for you. For me, it's literally every single product. I really love this lovely seed bead mix that we have here. I love that we included 2 colors of Milky Delicas. I love the shine on those 3mm round drugs. I love the color and the usefulness of the crescent beads. I absolutely adore this mix of stones that we get. Absolutely beautiful. The natural stones that you get in this collection are also really a highlight. And the entire mix of findings in here is really inspiring and works with this collection so well as well. So I'm really thrilled and excited to work with it, and stay tuned and click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to be notified about the projects that I come up with and share with you for free. And if you want this information to come to your email, also make sure to sign up for our email newsletter. The link will be down in the description below, as well as a link to the collection and the full list of products that are included so that you can look through it as well. So do check out that description. And meanwhile, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!